Hello, friends. This is Little Miss Birdie. And today we're going to go over our book 3 that we got from the CDC for free. All these free books for us to learn about It's Busy Being 3, Amazing Me. In one amazing day, a child can show us so much. Watch for new milestones every day. To learn how amazing the book is, read here. In this book, it's going to go over these different milestones. How a child plays, learns, speaks, acts, and moves. First steps, first words, using potty for the first time. These are all exciting developmental milestones. In this book, it will show you what to look for as your child grows and develops. So let's dive right in. So what do we have here? Joey is the star of this story. But I'm Joey's best pal, Bear. I go with him everywhere. Look for me in the story. So can you find Bear? And can you find the kangaroo Joey? Joey is my name and I'm amazing. I'm 3 years old and that means I'm one more than 2. As a 3-year-old, this is my world. It's very busy being 3. I've got a lot of places to go and people to see. I love my world because I am the star. So let's flip the page. Every day when I wake up, the first thing I do is get dressed. I can put on my clothes all by myself and I do an amazing job. It's too cold to wear shorts when it's snowing outside, and you shouldn't wear your cowboy boots without socks, says my mom. The milestone here is that Joey shows he can do more and more things on his own, such as dressing by himself. Joey says, "Yes, I can." Mama says, "I don't think so." Joey says, "But I'm a star." "Of course you are," says Mama. "And I'm your mom. It's my job to make sure you wear the right clothes. You need to dress warmly from head to your toes." Next page. This is my favorite hat. I love it so much, I never want to take it off. With my hat on, my mom says I'm amazing, with a cherry on top. My mom and dad tells me that when I grow up, I can be anything I want to be. I must be amazing because I can do that right now. Look, I can be a policeman, I can be an astronaut, and I can be a teacher. And what else can I be? I can be a doctor, helping to care people, and my animal friends. I can even be a king. When I'm a king, my friend Bernice can be the queen. So milestones you should look for is your baby should be pointing, or your little preschooler or toddler points to show others something interesting. And here, Joey plays make-believe. Some days, I get to play games with my friends at preschool. We like to play superheroes and hide and seek and house and tag. I'm amazing at playing games. The milestones that you should be looking for is your little one should be playing next to other children and sometimes plays with them. When we play Duck, Duck, Goose, I really love to be first. But you can't be first all the time, says my teacher. So the milestone is that your little one begins to take turns in games. "Yes, I can." "I don't think so, but I'm a star." "Of course you are." "And I'm your teacher. It's my job to teach you how to play fair. Let others be first and show them that you care." Today, we even got to use safety scissors at school. So the milestone moment is your little one practice using safety scissors at school. My teacher says I'm amazing at cutting. Can you point out the different shapes that Joey is cutting? When my dad got home, I wanted to show him what I did. "I don't think you can reach that all by yourself," says my dad. Milestone, your little one points to show others something interesting. I don't think so. Yes, I can, but I'm the star. Of course you are. And I'm your dad. It's my job to keep you safe from harm. And climbing too high is cause for alarm. Let me get that picture down for you. I can't wait to see what you've learned how to do. Guess what I can do? I can make circles. And I do an amazing job. The milestone here is that your little one can copy a circle and any shapes that you draw. Once upon a time, little Joey is reading to his friend, and I can read too. I'm an amazing reader. Here, Joey tells a story while pretending to read. Here, Joey likes to play make-believe, try to use safety scissors, tell a simple story. Today was an extra special day. This afternoon, I got to see my doctor for a checkup. My mom and dad told her about all the things I can do that I'm 3. The doctor was happy with how amazing I can be. Other things that Joey can do is show independence, show concern for a crying friend, and Joey can build towers with blocks. Before dinner, my mom and I bake cookies. You can't just eat cookies for dinner, says my mom. Milestone is Joey follows instruction with 2 or 3 steps. Yes, I can. I don't think so, but I'm a star. Of course you are. And I'm your mom. It's my job to make sure you eat just right. So taste those peas out of food fight. Every night when it's time to go to bed, I get to brush my own teeth. I'm an amazing brusher. Here, let me do your toothpaste, says my mom. Milestone. Joey or your little one shows independence by trying to brush his own teeth. But I can do it all by myself. I don't think so, but I'm a star. Of course you are. And I'm your mom. It's my job to help put the paste on your brush. I have to make sure you don't use too much. You do your best to get your teeth clean, and I'll check your work. We make a great team. It's so busy being 3. My day is almost done. One more book, and then it's time to go to bed, my dad says to me. Look at the list of things I did today. Wake up, get dressed, play, eat breakfast, brush teeth, go to school, play, eat lunch, play, listen to story, take a nap, maybe, play more, eat dinner, take bath, brush teeth, read books, bedtime. But why? Why do I have to go to bed? I'm not tired. I want to stay up longer. Mom says, I don't think so, but I'm a star. Of course you are, and it's our job to make sure you get enough rest. If you don't go to sleep, you can't be your best. Remember, you got another big day ahead, and you can't be amazing if you don't go to bed. And Joey says, I'll better go to sleep because I really do love to be amazing. And Joey says to Mama and Dada is, I love you, Mommy and Daddy. The milestone here is that Joey or your little one would say the words I, me, we, and you. This is such a cute story that you can also look at all the amazing developmental milestones. Take this book with you and talk with your child's doctor at every visit about which milestone your child has reached and what to expect next. And there's also a list of the different developmental milestones you can see here. It goes over social, emotional, language and communication, cognitive, which refers to learning, thinking, problem solving, movement, and physical development. And here's a list of parenting tips. Wow, there's so much great information here. Be sure to share this amazing book with your friends and families that you can get for free from the CDC.